Hi there, students. I'm told that in some cultures it's good manners when you've eaten a good meal to belch afterwards to show that you've enjoyed it. Okay, to belch. Burp. To burp. When air comes out of your stomach. Okay? Better than a fart, but okay. To belch. A belch. He let out a huge belch. Okay. He belched. Okay, so note both a verb and a noun. Notice you can use this word figuratively as well, meaning to emit, to let out lots of. So, for example, the burning building belched smoke. Okay, it's got the idea of bleh. Yeah? The noxious fumes were belching from the broken cylinder. Okay? So, it's got the idea of gas or something like that coming out. Probably even, you could say, I don't know, he belched out his words. But that's very figurative, okay? So, to belch out as well, very often with out to give it more emphasis. Okay, so smoke was belching out of the chimney, yeah? I could see the anger belching out of him, okay? So, to belch, to burp. Notice this verb is not informal. It's a neutral verb, yeah? If you were writing an essay, this is probably one of the word you would use if you needed to describe this, okay? So, anyway, I'm sure you'll remember this one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.